Let's go, baby. Welcome in, family. Happy Thursday. Nearing the end of the week now. 2 more opportunities to seize the week. Let's fucking dial in. I'm tired of this. You understand? Tired of it. All right, just sending out this little thing here. Now it's time to get focused. Time to get serious. Time to get serious. Easy. Let's go work. Let's go. Easy work. How you doing, brother? Tell me you crushed this morning. Tell me you crushed on the Dow or something. I need some positivity in here. Need some vibes. I've been getting fucked by this market lately, and I'm not doing it again. You understand me? Manage groups. Let's name this. Apex 550k's. Let's name this old thing. You know what I'm saying? Turn up today. Let's go, King. Good morning, Vietnam. Let's go, Coop. Welcome in, King. Happy to have you here, brother. Let's make some monies. Let's get focused. Get serious. We have our set of 5. 3, 4, 5. All right. We got our set of 5 accounts here. Time to dial in. Let's make some monies. Let's make some monies. Let's get serious. What's up, May? Welcome in, King. Happy Thursday. Happy to have you here. Guys, is it true? Is the government shutdown over? Is that the talk of the town right now? Or is it not? It's quite a time where you can't trust everything you read. Is it over or is it not over? Nasdaq finding some selling. What's up, Mad Max? Welcome in, King. Happy to have you here on this fine Thursday, sir. Nasdaq's testing a low right now, family. If we continue through this, I expect some possible more selling, but I wouldn't also be surprised to find us to hold. Here's new day. We came up, we touched up in the previous range, we still found some selling, then we took out over this low. I don't know. It could be interesting. We could find some selling in here. Good morning, Saucy. Welcome in, King. Solar X, welcome back, King. Happy to have you back, sir. Happy Thursday. Let's go, family. Let's get focused. The government shutdown, is that truly over? Or is that just is that what I heard? I haven't seen it. Some confirmation is if it's all over. Did we finally stop with the weirdness? Don't know. Hey, good morning, Matrix. Let's go, King. There she is. There's our queen. What's up, Danny? Happy Thursday, family. Let's get focused. We have 2 days left, okay? This market has been taking my liquidity. All of it the last couple days. For a while, honestly. I think it's been a couple days. It's been like a couple weeks. The market's just been stealing my liquidity. So today we take it back, baby. We put our foot down and we take our liquidity back. God damn it. Let's get that gap fill today. That's what I'm hoping too, Danny. Let's get down there. Stop fucking around, NASDAQ. Opening gap would be around 230 would be the close of it, I think. Yeah, around 230 would be the close of the gap. So we have some selling to do. We got some selling to do, Nazi. Don't mess around with us. Opening print candle. Printed pretty bullish. I think what I'm going to try to do today, family. All right. I've been getting a couple of recommendations for either sizing down, you know, flipping over to micros, using a bit bigger of a stop. I keep getting stopped out like it's painful how often I'm getting stopped out of top and bottom ticks. Or use our drawdown to just hit it. All right, so if I have the 2,500 in drawdown, I just use the 2,500 in drawdown to make the 3K. Kind of risky. Go 25 contracts, 5 contracts in each account, and just look for 30 points. And risking 25 points. So basically a 1 trade to try to pass. I think that is not, to be honest, not really, I think it's in our favor. So think about maybe trying that. Maybe just full porting our drawdown, 2,500 drawdown to make the 3K in profit, pass these accounts, and just be done with it. It's kind of what I'm thinking. Which only means we got to be fucking dialed in with our entry. That's what you do with Apex evals. See, here we go, Danny. I had a feeling about it, Queen. You got to just fucking full port it. Risk. It's this terrible. The thing about Apex, right? Which I'm trying to, whatever. It doesn't feel like it's the fucking, it's training us to be good traders. You got to full port to pass these evals because of the trailing drawdown. You also have to scalp and get in and out of positions insanely fast because of the trailing drawdown. Like, it just feels like it's not super trader conducive, but my opinion is to just send it and get some accounts passed finally. I mean, what does that mean? Full port? Is that what you're saying, Saucy? Just take a month to get that payout. So you have the fucking full port to get the combine, to get funded, and then you just base hits. It's basically what we're going for. 25 contracts would be 5 in each account, and we run it. You just don't put a stop loss on. You just risk the 25 points to make the 3 grand. That's what I'm thinking. Short from the 50s. Let's go, Danny. Good luck, Queen. Great little entry off the EMA touch there. Breaking to the low of the day here. I love it. Good morning, Max. Let's go, baby. Maximilian. Good morning, King. Morning, TPT funded is trailing drawdown at first. Just got to play defense and take the quick $200 to $300 winners. Sucks, but that's the game they want. It is the game, Diego. TPT funded, huh? Little take profit trader. TPT pro accounts. What's the difference between the pro accounts and their non-pro accounts, guys? Do we know that? Do we know that? Nasdaq selling to 25,400 right now. Just finding some more selling pressure. We are getting closer towards that gap, which would be around the 270s. Might be expecting that to get filled. But good morning, family. Welcome in. Happy Thursday. Let's get focused. We have 2 more days of the week here. We got to just, dial it in. Lots of opportunity. So much money to be made. We just got to do our best. Get out of our head. Get out of the way. Good morning, Paul. Welcome in, King. How are you doing on this fine Thursday, sir? Nasdaq still failing at the 25,400s, finding some deeper selling. I don't mind finding us into the 260s here for some potential range. We're going to pretty much just send it for a one and done trade today, guys. We're looking for 30 points of profit, risking 25 points in drawdown. Going to go 5 contracts per account, so $100 a point. We'll see what type of trouble we can get into. From opening print candle up at the 502s, we're already down 140 points. Kind of fucking insane. What a short, Danny. Let's go. Let's go, Queen. Good pull. Yo, Tyler, what's good? What's up, Baruch? Welcome in, King. Happy to have you back, brother. Short from the 585s. You dogs. You dog, Max. Danny short from the 20s. You're short from the 85s. Come on, family. She's short from the 420s, but 585, what a short. Hell yeah, Max. So weird you just said 260. Oh, did I? Oh, 260 is the gap close that I want to see, Sauce. So that'd be another 100 points down from here, which does not seem crazy. I'm out now. Great trade. Just passed 150K top step first time last night. Hey, W. Paul. First time passing the 150K. Congratulations, King. Let's go. That's just the start. Now you're going to roll that momentum and take a payout. Stoked for you, brother. Good morning, gang. In office today. Have to trade off my phone. Hopefully I don't fat finger nothing. Ooh. Good luck, TLR. We're here with you, King. Phone trading is tricky trading, but I believe in you. I was looking at how much Apple would have to go up to be up 1%, and it was 260, which I was saying in my head as you said 260. Ooh, very weird. I love it, Sauce. We possibly headed to weekly opening gap. That's why I want to see Baruch. Down to those 260s would be nice. Just nice, clean target. Maybe we can deliver there well, and we'll see what happens. Damn, 585. That's over 200 points. Yeah, that's that man, Max. He knows what he's doing. Got into the 85s. Just sold out here with New York volatility. I love it. Really good trading, King. Wow, W's for the 100K pass. Let's go, Baruch. Way to show love. Congratulations, Paul. It's badass, King. And Max showing some love. I love it, family. We celebrate success here. Nasdaq, right off the opening print candle, we're down 40 points. Just hanging out at the bottom right now. I'm going to pretty much be shorting almost any pullback. We're going to try to be patient, but I'm full porting these 5 right here, family. I'm full porting. So keep in mind, we could be a very quick. We're not going to be looking for a lot of trades today. Looking for one fucking trade. Going to be risking the 25 points. Looking for 30 points. 5 contracts. $100 a point. It's either going to work or it's not going to work. And we're going to keep doing it until it does fucking work. You feel me? Come on. Is it true that the government shutdown's over? Is that what I heard? Is that the vibe of the streets right now? 350 with 2 micros, baby. Let's go, Danny. Easy. Great trading, queen. Hell yeah. Max, time to full port. Put it all on red, baby. This is literally the casino. Put it all on red or green. Instead of black, it's just green. Full ports. Full ports. Yo, there's already 20 people in here watching. I appreciate you guys so much. If you haven't yet, hit the like button. Easiest way to support the stream. Let's get this thing popping early. Just close it super close. Close it super close when you go all in, and you should be good. Okay, just close it super close when you go all in. So wait, what do you mean? Oh, like a stop? Have my stop really tight? Have a tight stop? Is there a way to set risk parameters in here? Let me check that out real quick. Achievements, help, and then reports, notifications, chats, risk settings. Is there a way? Oh, you can't do bracket orders. That's right. I forgot. You cannot do bracket orders. Oh, very good. I'm going to keep it positive moving forward, but took a fat L on the Express. No payout. Back to the combine grind. Sorry, Baruch. Sorry to hear it, King. But hey, that's just the process, baby. Way to get to the Express. Way to get the XFA. That's one step closer, and keep that momentum. Show back up. Keep that mindset right. Payout is yours. Easy. I believe in you. Trail it super close. Sorry. No, I got you, Queen. Okay. Super tight trailing. Yeah, you can't afford that drawdown. ATM. What we seeing, Max? What are we seeing, King? I'm up nice. Think I'm done for the day. You got to be, Maxie. You got to be. You locked in a fat little banger already, King. Blue XFA during Asia session. Damn. Sorry to hear it, Matrix. Sorry to hear it, King, but we're here for you. Think about how many times you're getting to that XFA level, man. You're so fucking close. Keep grinding, baby. What you made, Maxie? He made a fucking little 200-point banger almost. Or at least he was up into the 585, a little short. I pray everyone here showing love to Tyler gets a juicy payout before New Year's. Also, Tyler, fat payout for you, brother. Baruch, you're the man. I hope you do too, King. More than deserved, baby. Showing so much love to everybody. Let's all get it. It's officially winter vibes over here, so it's time to focus. Winter season in Maine is just grind time, baby. Time to get dialed in. I feel like my trading's been a little bit loose lately. I'm not going to lie. Accountability. I've been just kind of poking and praying a little bit, but you know what? We're going to tighten shit up. Come into winter arc. Get focused. Let's get it. 21 at W Max. Great trading, King. I love seeing that. Man's just grabbing 20 bando like it's easy. Like it's easy. Yeah. Still finding some selling into the 330s now. Nothing but selling pressure off the opening print candle. Nothing but selling pressure off this opening print right now. We definitely look like we're reaching for a gap here, family. It's just too easy, baby. It's just too easy for that man, Maxie. Opening print candle is up at the 504s. Kind of insane. And we're already down into the 330s, 340s. Sellers are taking control of this thing at the moment. It's hard to short this deep in the hole, but I do just expect us to keep flushing towards this opening gap. See what happens here. Yes, sir, Maxie. Kind of think we're just going to keep flooding towards this opening week gap, but is it going to give us a chance to get in? Well, that's what we're here to find out. You know what I mean? Like, it's going to move, but I want to be a part of it. You know what I mean? NASDAQ coming into the 300 whole number now. We ripped through the 400 like it was nothing. There's so much range today, family. I guess today, honestly, we might not even need a full port just because of how much range we're getting. But we're going to see. I mean, this candle alone is fucking... That's a 50-point candle alone. You know what I mean? Like, we wouldn't even need to hit that whole candle. We would have been done if we full ported. Would almost have been a 300-point trade if I was still in. That's insane, Maxie. Huge trade, King. Swear to God, safe light guy here repairing my windshield trades, Nazi. Why? Welcome in, Sobs. Happy to have you, King. That man's a Naz trader. He's one of us. He's one of us. Oh, you, ooh, one of us. Ooh, ooh, one of us. You go out there and tip that man in NQ. Safe Light guy, repairing the shield. You trying the static accounts now? Maxi, I guess I don't even know what the static accounts are. No, these are still the same Apex. I bought 20 yesterday because the sale was ending. So now we have 15 left because I already blew 5. So I'm going to trade these all. Try to just do what I got to do. If I lose, I lose. And then I'm going to try some new shit maybe. But I'm trying to full port these ones, Maxi. Right? So I'm just going to go in with 25 contracts, 5 per account. Look for 30 points. Risk my full 2,500 in drawdown. So I'm just risking pretty much almost a 1-for-1. Then just going to see if we can pass some accounts that way. Good morning, boss. Song Sing, welcome back, King. Happy to have you here, brother. Happy Thursday. Told him I'd buy him a 50K if he gives me my windshield on the house. Love a bargain. That's a sexy little deal. Probably out of his control, but it's a fun bargain. Bro, I would never say it, but full pour Apex. Exactly. No better way to pass. Yeah, I was about to say that. Let's go, Maxi. It's only one way to do it, King. Full drawdown, 2,500, pretty much a 1-to-1. We're just going to fucking do it because I'm tired of that. I'm tired of making me feel like a bad trader because I keep getting bottom ticked out. I'm not doing it. Not fucking doing it. You're either going to take my account in one trade or you're going to give me my accounts in one trade. I'm done with you. You feel me? That's the play. I hate to do it. It doesn't make me feel like a real trader, but let's get these passed. Come on, Queen. Let's go. 1 to 2 trades and trail tight. Yes, sir. That's what Danny said. I love it. Love the advice, family. Let's fucking get it. Let's focus. Tell the Apex. Tell that's Apex. I know. I feel like it's making us trade like shit because it has to. You got the full pour. You got to trail quickly. You got to get out at quick moves instead of hold for pullbacks. Like, it's just doesn't really feel like trading much. But fuck them. We're going to take their money, so we don't care. All right, family. So these 280s are interesting because we just touched the bottom of the gap, but we didn't go close it. All the way down to be the 230s for it to get closed. What do we think of that? What do we think of that? Let's get our box drawn here, just so I can stay a little bit focused. Rectangle. Rectangle. 44. Here it is. Quite the range. Holy shit. Quite the 15-minute range today. Yeah. All right. All right. All right. All right. I don't mind that. Let's see what we can do here. Nasdaq's defending the bottom of the range. I almost want to short this EMA, but let him know who's king. Let's go, Max. Let's go, Mr. Mad Max. Up into the 320s here. We've just bounced off the 280s. 250s is the gap close, right? Or 230s, I mean. Because technically we don't count that as a gap close because we just touched it. So we're still looking to get that liquidity. Inappropriately touched them. All consent, but still inappropriate. Entry here off the EMA. I know I was thinking maybe, Queen. I was, but I'm just worried that we go rip through this by 20 points. I'm worried we go rip through this by 20 points, but I don't mind it. Do we want to short this deep into the hole? From opening print candle, we've done nothing but selling off. I wanted to see like one attempt up and around this EMA, but it doesn't seem like they're going to have it. Let's be a little patient, maybe. He's thinking the same. I'm going for it. Oh, it's so early, but I'm going for it, family. We're going to short at this top here. See if we can get a push here. I don't even necessarily think we need a full port, ironically, just because of the range today, but we're going to go for it. Shorting fucking 25 contracts at these 23s. Looking for a quick little move. We don't need much here. Let's see what happens. Got to get a reaction off this. And we got to trail tightly. I don't even know how you would trail tightly on this. Come on, sellers. Don't do me. Don't do me in. Come on, baby. Show me some selling at this EMA here. Oh, God. I had a feeling we were a little impatient. Fuck, man. Show me the selling. Get us back in below there now. We got to trail so tight here. I got to put my order on. So what is this? Buy 25 stops. What do we need? We need 3 grand. So we need... I'm at the 23s. I need the 93s. Buy 25 stop. We need that. We need the 293s to come into here, I believe. If my math is right. Oh, I didn't put my draw down. Did that fuck me? No.
Order filled.
Jesus. Got to be quick. You lost 1,000 drawdown already. You should have trailed it. All right. So those are gone. Motherfucking fuck ass fuck. You know what I mean? Let's try again. Let's try it again then. Apex 16, you're cooked. 17's cooked. 18, 19, and 20 are cooked. So we go 21, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Okay. Jesus fucking Christ. We try again. Sell at these prices. Maybe... Wait. Must contain a current account. Wait, what? Dude, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? $1,500 drawdown is so fucking dumb. What's up, King? Trail the stop on the right. You can drag it down and follow it. Okay, okay. I like that. So we have to make a new group. Is that what I have to do here? Group name. New 50Ks. New 50Ks. We just blew the 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we're on 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Save that. Let's go to the new 50Ks. Let's not fuck around anymore. Kind of wanted this price. I'm sad that we were behind because this is the price I kind of wanted to find some shorts at. We got to be quick. Got to be quick, snappy, snippety. Good morning, Corey. Welcome in, King. What's up, Kev? Happy to have you here, brother. Trail that stop on the right. You can drag it down and follow it. You have to select an account in the group. You need to select off the accounts in the group you want to trade. You need to select on off the account you want to trade. Yeah, I think I did it in a weird about way by making a new group there, but... Oh, wait. The fuck? Why is the 16 still in this? What am I doing wrong right here, family? You need to select on of the accounts and you want to trade in the group. Oh, so like 20? There we go. Here we go. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. Click one of the accounts. All right, this thing is just pumping off these 30s, like these 280s, like it's nothing. Holy shit. Where's this price going to right now? This is the outside edge. One of the ones in the new groups. 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, you're right. 21 then. 21, right? Still hasn't filled the gap. Strange. So close up and no fill. I know, Danny, which means that I think that could be our nice little push back in that level. just made 8K on ES. Let's go, Eli. Congratulations, King. Nice trading. Let's go, baby. Love to hear it. Love to see it. Little V recovery so far off the NASDAQ. Strong bounce off these 280s. We touched the bottom. We touched the top of the gap and then just printed right off of it. Interessante. Look at you. Good job, bro. Let's go, Max. What you need to do is write Top Step an apology letter and get back on there. I can't understand this Apex stuff. That, Sobs, would be fun. But they don't deserve our money if they're going to treat us like that. You know what I'm saying? They just don't deserve our monies. They're going to treat me like that. I'm selling at these 82s. think I'm already behind. I don't think I get a fill now, but that's what I'm looking for. And we're going to trail tight, so I'm going to have my stop here. Buy 25 stop if we do get in. And I'm going to have to adjust it quickly. Hey, come give me a little taparoonie and biscuits up here, Nazzy. No way I get a fill now, just because why the fuck would I? Nice. No, because why would I? You know what I mean? So I'm going to update our price a little bit now in towards... what do I want? No, don't do that. What do I want for a price? 75.75. Damn, it's so hard to read shit on this fucking thing. I agree. We're going to take this short off these 75s. Gonna have a tight stop on it. Give me fill.
Order filled.
Order filled. Oh my god, we're going to get ran through, aren't we? Where are my sellers at? We got to adjust our trailing drawdown tightly. This is just weird trading. Come on, show us some love at this pullback here. Where are these sellers at? We got an opening week gap to go get. I got to adjust this trailing drawdown. Sell. Show me some selling at these 75s. Push off that price. All right. Well, a little bit more. Oop. Oh my fucking fuck, man.
Stop filled.
My shit. It's easy. It's dealing with the low leverage starting out. Well, if it's easy, come do it for me right now, Eli, because I can't fucking do it. Nah, I'm going to be gone with Top Step 2. MP better not be trolling about this no activation fee by Thanksgiving. If he's trolling, I'm leaving and going to Apex with a copy trader. Let's go, Baruch. I don't think he's trolling. I don't think he's trolling. I hope he keeps the space competitive. 50 EMA, 90 EMA are crossing. Be careful. Okay, Danny. Appreciate you. Because we have been having so many technical errors with Top Step. Yeah, Top Step's been weird. Remove that order confirmation alert. How do I do that? Because that is annoying. In my settings. Preferences. Order confirmation. Confirmation. Ask when placing an order. Ask when closing a module. Ask when creating a new order. Ask when placing an order. I think that's right. Wow. NASDAQ. Just a fucking V recovery off these 280s like it's nothing. Up 110 points from there. What the fuck? Just insane. Why are we leaving gaps like that? Like, what the fuck? You need to save it. Oh, I didn't save it. Appreciate you, Maxi. No, I think it's saved. I think we might be Gucci. To tap that 2-minute fair value gap, then pull back. We did too. We touched perfectly in there. I don't know. Because we wanted. Oh, I did my bet. No worries, King. It's a wild prediction, but my thought was a big sell-off market open into a huge buy fest. That's what we're seeing right now, Sauce. We didn't even go grab that liquidity to 271. That's why I just don't believe any of this pullback right now, to be honest. Oh, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't fucking matter. Talking like pushing ATH again. Really? Really, Sauce? I like that. I don't know. I think they're selling it a little bit too aggressive this morning. Just a little bit. I'm going for it again. Oh, I want to short it again. That's the thing about it. Man, I'm just gonna say it. I do not like this platform. I just don't like this platform, really whatsoever. It just does not fucking feel like it. I don't know. I'm just not a fan so far. Don't like shorts or longs right now. Yeah, the market is tough for people with trailing drawdown because of the back and forth candles. I know, King. Makes it really tough, Kev. Yo, there's already 30 amazing people watching, though. If y'all have not yet, I appreciate it. Hit the like button, family. Means a lot. Even though I'm just fucking blowing account after 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 account. Fucking fuck, shit ass fuck. Look at this. Look at this. Look at these buyers. What are you guys so excited about? Please tell me. Please tell me why you're so excited. It's really just as easy as Project X. You need to get used to how the orders work. Yeah, I believe you, Maxi. That's mostly what it is. I'm just so uncomfortable with it. Just different. It's just different, you know? It's like I got a different golf club in my hand. It's the same thing, but it just fucking feels a little bit different. The government shutdown, brother? What are you talking about, Sauce? What are you saying, sir? What are you saying? What a perfect little double bottom down here, though. Just holding this outside edge. And now they're going to start to turn over, huh? The shutdown is over. The shutdown is done. Market went crazy last night. She's, well, crazy to the downside. I mean, we pumped a little bit, but not really. We got a little bit of reaction off the news and then just straight to the downside. And then just straight right to the downside. I'm shorting here at this EMA pullback. Can we get a fill, please? Can we get a fill, please, before you go? Can we get a little fill, please, before you go? Can you give me a little tap before you go, please? No, never would. It never fucking would. Did y'all also see the discontinuation of the penny? It will no longer be produced. Really? I did not fucking know that, Sauce. I gotta go, family, but I do believe we have a bearish bias today. But that's just my opinion. Stay up, everyone. Tyler, you the man, brother. Always love popping in to check in. I appreciate you for being here, Baruch. Love you. Always bring the vibes, King. Have a great rest of your day, sir. Why would I actually get filled? Why would I ever get filled when I'm actually trying to get a good trade? Why would I ever get filled? Why would I ever get a fucking fill when I'm looking for something like that? No, not me. Not me. Now I have to short this EMA again. Oh, my word. When is Top Step stopping activation fee? I'm not sure exactly when, Eli, but I know that they're teasing before Thanksgiving. Not exactly sure when, but that's it. It takes roughly 4 cents to make 1 penny, which obviously isn't a smart thing to do. Kind of crazy. I did not know this. Hit the like button, beautiful people. Hey, you're the man, Eli. Appreciate you, King. Can I get a fucking fill and then some continuation? Or are you going to fill me and then go rip my stop loss? That seems probable. Because why would I ever get the fill the first time I asked for it? God. Trading has been awful lately. Makes you just want to not do it. Makes you just want to jump off a fucking cliff. Shit is agonizing. Here we go, NASDAQ. You're going to tease my order, aren't you? Or you're going to support and just rip right through my orders. One of the two. Either you're not going to fill me and print to the lows, or you're going to fill me and go take this high out. Oh, not going to fill me and go take out the lows. Got you. Got you. No, it makes total sense. Oh, it makes perfect sense. You're going to not fucking... Find a good spot, brother. Tell me where, Sauce. What do you know? 30-point candle that we don't get filled on. Jesus fucking Christ, man. I hit a 15 for 6 points, 4K. You fucking crazy. 15 contracts is insane, Eli. Actually, wild work out of you. High risk, high reward, in fact, King. In fact, you are correct. Can I just get in with this fucking move? I feel like the next time I try to short the CMA, it's going to rip through it. That's the fear I have. I feel like the next time we touch into the CMA, we're going to rip through it. But guess what? Let's just watch here. I hit 7 points for 14,000. You see how people like this are trolls? Rush, what's up, King? Welcome back. Eli, he just took 15 points, 15 contracts for 6 points
Order filled.
We just got touched in
Order
here.
filled.
What do you mean order filled? What the fuck was that? Did we hit drawdown? Oh yeah, because I couldn't only afford 742 somehow. How could I only afford that much drawdown? Dude. Oh my god. Yes, you got drawdown. I'm gonna fucking crash out. I'm gonna crash out. I'm gonna fucking crash the fuck out. Fucking crash the fuck out. Fuck, man. I'm not gonna reset these guys. I only have fucking... My word. That's what I made. Trailing sucks. Was that a I on the last buy you won? Was that an L on the last buy or you won? It was an L because it went up a tick above us, and well, we would have been wrong anyway, as you can see, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, we didn't have the drawdown. Past 2 combines, blue 1. I'm done for the day, King. Hey, Matrix. Way to pass 2 though. 2 steps forward, 1 step back. Tyler, when are we streaming, bro? Let me know, Max. Whenever, King. Good morning, Pobby. Welcome back, brother. Happy to have you here this morning. Not understanding what you're saying, Rush. He's basically saying that Eli's trolling because he said he made money, but even though he made $4,000 with 15 contracts and 6 points, he's just upset because other people are crushing. We can't do that, Rush. We gotta celebrate success, King. We celebrate when people are doing well. And if they share it, they share it. Whatever. Fucking fuck-ass shit fuck, though. Because 16's blown, right? 24's blown, right? Yeah. So all we have left is 25 to 30. So we only have one more set left. Wait. 25, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So it's 26. Never mind. So it's 26, 27, 20. Where's the 8? 28, 29, and 30. Save. And now we're on to 26. All right. Well, since tomorrow's Friday, I'm going to at least save these for tomorrow. And then if that shit goes bad, next week we're probably going to be trying a different prop firm until Apex has their discounts again. They don't always have their discounts, so. He Max. Yeah, but you can't believe everything what people tell you. Sometimes we got to, though, because usually they're pretty honest. Especially if it's contributing to your growth. Especially if it's not contributing to your growth. I'm believing Eli over you, my dude. Please come in here with some positivity. It was 6 points on ES with 15 on 2 counts. That's kind of wild. I get that, what you're saying, but it's an open community, so we all share stuff, just like a Discord server, for sure. Who cares if he's telling the truth or not? At the end of the day, he's been in here, Eli and Max, both people that you've defended recently, Rush. They've been in here for a long time, King. So have you, which I respect you for popping in here and always showing love too. But the thing is like, if you, my only thing is like the fallacy that you exist in is like, oh, you seem to think that anytime anyone makes money, they're lying. So it's just like, you must just not believe in success in general. So it's like, dude, just instead of like getting upset or whatever, or like even worrying about it, just fuck yeah. It's like, damn, congrats. And then just think about like, what could I do to get a part of it? Like, what can I do? Like right now, I am fucking blowing accounts. I am on episode 150. Okay. I have not had a even successful trading, I feel like, since episode 100. It's been 50 fucking episodes of me just, I don't even know, just fucking falling on my face. You know what I mean? So would you, if you just started watching me, you'd think I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, right? But if I told you, oh, I've made 50K in payouts, profit, you would probably want to tell me I'm a liar too, right? But you've seen it. If you go back and watch all of it, you can see it all. So just because someone isn't saying that they don't make, just because someone makes some monies doesn't mean they're not telling the truth. Where is Mo when we need him? Where's that Momo? If it doesn't affect you when you're trading, who cares? I'll be Mo. Put me in King. I don't know what they're contributing in Discord other than P&Ls. Levels, insights, motivation, community, because this shit's lonely and hard. So when you have people around you doing the same thing, that helps. A little bit of support. Yeah, sharing levels, sharing ideas, sharing about the government shutdown with new information dropping every second. If they're sharing strategy, that's good. Posting P&L doesn't help. Exactly why hating it doesn't affect you. Tyler's legit better trader in my opinion than me. I don't know, Eli. You're always grabbing the cash. I've been fucking falling on my face hard lately. I've been falling on my face so hard. No, and actually, if you look at it, I usually don't trade off my comments. Like y'all will usually, even my fade, like even my people telling me the levels, like y'all are like, hey, I'm taking a short here. I'm like, okay, I'm thinking about fading you. You know what I mean? Like it's just all insight. We're all just sharing. I'm here as a community. I sometimes trade on my own ideas, here to support the morale and share our ups and downs. That's it, King. Share morales, sometimes share ideas, because hey, sometimes you see a nice sexy trade. Like right now, I would be scared of fucking anything other than long in this market because what the fuck? I mean, you could short VWAP. That'd be like my final attempt at shorts today. This thing is just parenting to the upside. No, but it influences emotion, Saucy. Yeah, but so does like, I mean, if I'm in a short and someone's like, oh, I'm looking at a long at the 30 level and I'm shorting, right? Doesn't that technically influence my emotion too? Like me being on stream in general is me opening myself up to that. Like I'm always going to be opened up to people in my chart in the comments like, oh, you should sell, you're up profit, or oh, or you shouldn't get in, or whatever the fuck it is. There's always going to be an insight. The thing is, like, I really try to not listen to that. I just trade how I want to feel, how I feel, what I see. If I'm right, I'm right. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'll tell you guys straight up to the face. That was a bad trade for me. Like, you know what I mean? We just gotta do it. It's good to have a community, no doubt about it. You're better at holding trades than me, Eli, because you get in with 15 contracts. You get in, gang. You get in, you get your move, you get out. That's good trading too. Everyone's got their strategy, and yours is big leverage. he didn't like us sharing our P&Ls or trades. He wouldn't say so. You're the only one who comes in here and has a problem with it. It's fair. Bro, for real, I've been scared to trade. I took an L yesterday for $88. Not much, but hey, Poppy. You know what that sounds like, King? That's some good risk management. You don't need to get in crazy size. You don't need to look for big moves. Ask our queen. She's always getting in, getting quick little scalps and getting out. So, family, look, I blew 10 accounts on Apex today. Makes me really frustrated. This fucking trailing drawdown is a bitch to learn, but I will do this. And when I take this money from Apex, think about it this way, family. My goal is to run 20 accounts up, right? 20 accounts, really you only need to get to $4,000 because you can only take out max 2 per account, 2 times 20, $40,000. So to make that $40,000, this is the reality of trading that I got to share with you guys. 40K is my goal with Apex off of like my first goal, right? I want to make a 40K payout with Apex before the end of the year, okay? To do that, I have to be willing to spend some money. Right now I'm on like 1,200, I think I've spent total. Let me look. Now I gotta know because I ain't trying to give you guys fake numbers. Nope, 1,600. So I spent $1,600 with Apex so far. With what, blowing 20 accounts, and I have 5 more to go. So, or actually, I think I've blown more than that now. I think I've blown 20. Yeah. So, anyways, my point is, family, if I'm trying to make $40,000 and I've only spent $1,600, how the fuck can I be upset? I really willingly should be able to spend $10,000. I should have another $8,500 to spend on Apex, and I'm still, if I spend another $8,500 and then get a payout, I'm still 4x. I made 40 off my 10. You know what I mean? Like, we have to be willing to spend to make. So I could even hypothetically go on a big tilt and spend $20,000. I could go, I've spent $1,600 right now. I could go on a fucking downslide poop sloop and spend another $20,000 and then still get the payout that I'm looking for and then still double my money. You know what I mean? So I got to work on that. I think I've been a little bit too expecting to win. So I'm just going to deal with it, spend some monies, make some monies. I've only given Apex $1,600 and I'm trying to grab fucking hundreds of thousands from them. So we got to pay more and we're going to get better. This is a pretty gross range for the day, though. I'm not going to even lie to y'all. We are always super happy for each other when they make the monies. Always, Danny. I want to see y'all fucking win. I love it when you guys win. That's the thing about that might be the biggest different rush, to be honest with you, King. When I see somebody win, it just makes me feel great because I know this shit's hard, but it's possible. Like, this shit is fucking really tricky and rough, but it is so possible. It can change our entire family. Why are we trading, family? Someone right now, tell me why we're trading. Put in the comments. Why are we trading? What are we trading for? Please tell me. Full port, bro. You'll get used to the losing. Absolutely. That's how I'm feeling right now. I'm already getting used to it. We're gonna get up to Maine and have a snowboard ski resort party when you take the Apex to the cleaners. Let's go, Corey. Absolutely, King. I love it. Brother, MFF. Next week, Maxi. I only have one more set tomorrow to try, so hypothetically, assuming I don't pass tomorrow, which I might not. Fuck that. I'm passing tomorrow. But if I don't, Monday, we're going to try MFF out. Man, I'm down 500 and I feel like shit. No worries, Pobby. Remember what I just said, King? We're looking for hundreds of thousands. We got to be okay with giving up a couple $100. Good, Pablo. Feel the pain. Feel the pain. Weird price action today. I think we all expected a gap fill and we should have known better, LOL. That's what I'm thinking, Danny. Just a straight, well, also, we just went fucking 220 points to the downside. So that sounds pretty weak, and then just a straight V recovery out of there. Tough. And I feel like I haven't learned shit, but I also gamble, which is my problem. I would argue that you've learned a lot more than you think, Pobby. Yes, it's still probably, you're still like feeling the same cycle that you've been in with your thought process and like getting in, getting out, getting scared, getting all the emotions that kind of blurs the logic and knowledge that you've gained. But the knowledge is there, and if you even try to explain this to somebody else, you would see how much you really do retain and know. But yeah, man, it's a long journey, and sometimes it doesn't feel like we're getting better, but you're getting better every day, King. I promise you. Just being here, showing up is really so much of the battle. Pablo, it's King. Same here. Hit my PDLL. We try again tomorrow. That's it, brother. Just one day at a time, Matrix. TFF. Let's go, Max. What are we trading for? Family, for future. Let's go, Sobs. That's what we're trading for. So we can't even be upset. We take all the pain off for everybody. Yeah, I want everyone to win because as traders, we in our own world. Exactly. I want to pay my mortgage off with trading. That's coming, King. I don't have a big income, so I would like to give myself and my cats and hopefully my parents a better life. That's my reason. I love it, Danny. Trading for your future. Trading for their future. Trading for freedom. You're trading for freedom for you and your family and your kitty. That's what we're all doing. That's why it's like we show up. We celebrate success because that means that person that just had a good trade is one step closer to their freedom, and that's all we care about. We're all going to be free. We're all going to be financially independent, secure in our lives, getting to do things that we want to do, not things that we have to do. And this is just a learning process. At the end of the day, guys, I'm 25 years old, okay? I will willingly show up here. You have my word. I will show up here with you guys every fucking morning for the next decade until I'm 35 years old if I have not achieved my goal of freeing my family. Right? Because who are we? Like, what are we doing here? We're doing it for them. I have all the time in the world if my time is for them. So we just keep trying. We just keep trying. I don't have a big income. It's all right, Queen. Good morning, King. How'd we do today? Chris, I blew 10 accounts, sir. Can you even see right here? I blew 10 motherfucking accounts trying it. I tried full port because I think that's the only way to pass Apex, and I got cooked. But we'll see. I'm going to get better. I'm going to get better. You passing tomorrow? I love the vibes, Corey. Good morning, King. How'd you do today? No, like 500 my trading career. No, like 500 my trading career. I definitely lose big, but like Tyler said, my wins overtake my losses. That's it, King. It's not. We don't get paid to be right, just to make more than we lose. Great goal. Make sure you don't need another mortgage to go to fund trading. Bobby said rookie numbers. Keep my family squared and open a dog sanctuary, not a pound. Own 20 plus acres. That's my goal. And I do that by trading IFVGs and ICT concepts while respecting longer term moving average and trend lines. Hey, I love it, Rush. I love it, man. You have a strategy. You have something that works. Just keep doing it. And you have a goal, King. So just keep showing up. Keep showing up and celebrate people's successes. Your dream right there, your thing is to have a dog sanctuary with 20 fucking acres and let them be free and happy. Why would I ever, if you told me you just made 20 grand and I know that that's your goal, and you just told me you made 20 fucking big ones or however much money, 10 grand, 15, whatever. I'm only going to celebrate you, bro, because you just got one step closer to having your 20 dogs in your acres, or your dogs in your 20 acres. You know what I mean? Like, only love, bro. Only love. I want to get a second girlfriend. Stop it, Bobby. I'm going to tell her you said that. Ty Pablo is tweaking again. I'm going to tell her you said that, sir. It's only 8:20 a.m. Try again, King. The market looks calm now. It does look a little bit more chill. Do we take our last attempt and then just try MFF tomorrow, or do we just use these last ones for tomorrow? Reset, because I already blew 10 today. Do I use these last 5 today? Hypothetically, if we blow them, I don't have another. Apex is not running a deal, so I won't be able to try new ones. Or do we try MFF tomorrow or try MFF next week? Not sure. 25? For some reason, I thought you were older. Haha. Great advice, but no, I'm not dangerous. I feel old now. Now I turn 36 next month. That's our queen right there. Not old at all, Danny. Young as fuck, queen. You're going to still free your family. 25? How old do y'all think I was? Yeah, I'm 25. Although I am going to be 26 in a couple months, so. But yeah, I'm 25. How old y'all think I was? No losses, just lessons, King. Hey, that's my favorite shit right there, Chris. That's it, baby. Welcome in with the energy, King. Only lessons. We don't lose, we just get better. Short from the 74s. Looking for the bottom of the initial balance range. Good luck, y'all. From the 74s? Let's go, Sobs. Great short near the VWAP, man. I love that entry. Put your break even and let that thing ride. I think that prints back to the downside. 1 micro stress-free trading. I love it. Let's go, Sobs. Love the vibes in here. Me too, Corey. Me too, King. Appreciate y'all for being here and making it what it is. It's only amazing because of y'all. We all have goals, and I hope all of you guys will succeed in those. No doubt about it. Last attempt should have been that VWAP short. I agree. That was the final short attempt for the day, was this VWAP attempt. I think you could still maybe ride the momentum, but also there's a trend line here. Excuse me. Keep an eye on this, that this could hold, so. Celebrate fellow traders, no doubt about it. We're all nerds here. Yeah, we are, El Colonia. We're all nerds looking at candlesticks and price action. Oh, well, I think if this inverts at the 403 price and the EMA holds, I could find a rejection back to the bottom of the range. And oh, Ty is 25. Like my girlfriend, I thought he was 24 or so. Man, pretty close, Pobby. Very close, sir. I would have for sure thought 30 or something. Do I look old? Am I all wrinkly? Yeah, I'm old. I'm 29. Will be 30 in January. Been trading 6 years now. I'm gonna keep going. Potential is there. Potential is absolutely there, Kev. I love hearing it, King. You're a young man, about to make a lot of money next year. And hey, we're January twins, King. I got January 15th. I share Martin Luther King Jr.'s actual birthday. They usually celebrate him on the Monday after, so sometimes like the 18th, 17th, whatever. But his actual birthday's the 15th, and that's my dude. That's my twin. January 15, baby. Shout out MLK. Looking to join the shorts at the 435s. Could be a nice little pullback into this price. I don't mind that, Corey. For some reason, I feel like if they can't get above this EMA, though, that's going to be your next obstacle to even get that fill. We'll see. We are nerds, though. All good. No, but you do come across as a very serious adult, dude, for your age. Hey, thank you, Danny. Means a lot, Queen. That means the most, actually. I appreciate you. Jan 26 here. Let's go. My birthday is this Saturday. Time flies. Maxie, come on. Happy almost birthday. I got tomorrow, I guess, is our only day I'm going to see you before your actual day, King. So happy pre-birthday. Hope you have some fun plans. What you got going on, King? Wait, how you going to celebrate? Also, what year are you turning? Candle blocker 4,000. MA9 being stubborn. Candle blocker 4,000. Nah, we're going down, King. We're going down. A little bit of resistance at these 385s, but I want to see that breakthrough there. Thanks, bro. Of course. Happy early birthday, King. Let's go, Matrix. Way to show love. Just with my fam. Nothing big. That's the most, King. That's the most. Being with the loved ones. That's the most right there. Yeah, I be saying wild shit like I'm still 15. Poppy, we love your energy. We love your energy. Would not be the same without you. I'm going to learn Dutch just so I can speak with you guys. You're going to see it. Let's get those stops. Come on, get down there. Go flush through this little trend line. Sobs, we break through here. Holy Christmas. We break through this little trend line. I'm seeing Christmas to the downside for you. Jan 28 here. Let's fucking go. Jan the month. Hey, Mad Max and Kev. We chilling in the January gang. Let's go, baby. My birthday is on Sunday. The big 2-6. Sauce. I can't even believe it. Shit's crazy. I'm going to come up and see you. Happy fucking big day. Stops and profit either way. Yes, sir, Sobs. Easy trade. No fear. But now I just want to see it print for you. Any advice on when to update a strategy to improve win rate? I've just been taking notes but not changing my original strategy, and I really don't know when to shift into adding the new confluences. It's a fucking amazing question, El Colonial. What I would say to that, King, is because for a while you have to be willing to put your head against the wall and lose. So like we shouldn't be updating strategies often, which is what he's saying. So I respect you for knowing that, and like you got to just be willing to take losses over and over, even if you think it's not working, and then you really gotta play it through. What I would say when it's time to really change things up, well, I guess for a couple of things. Have you ever found some success with it, right? So like right now, for example, I'll just give you a little piece of my story. So it's like I don't think I've changed my trading at all since I took these payouts, and since I'm profitable. Haven't changed anything, but I'm starting to right now I'm starting to feel the feel like, okay, is there something that I now have to do to adjust to get better? And I would say awareness. So just, you got to sit with it, watch your trades, see if you think if it's you. Like right now, honestly, truthfully, it's been my trading. It hasn't really been anything outside of my trading. I think I'm just like getting in a little too early or whatever. So if you have a strategy, Alcalonia, that works, King, let it play out, because the market goes in cyclical patterns. If you feel like you're just constantly getting like me, top ticked, bottom ticked, I wouldn't say that's as much as like your strategy. Maybe you could afford a little bit bigger of a drawdown. But if you're just not hitting it at all and you haven't been hitting it, then yeah, man, take a new attempt. Try some new things out. Also, a big thing about trading too is like how are we ever going to know what works if we don't try it? So you got to just kind of buck up Try new shit, lose, be okay with losing, use that information that you just got gained as new experience, and you can go forward with that. But mostly, yeah, I would just say try to trust it. If you really feel like it's not working at all, like again, if you haven't had any success with it at all, try some new shit and be okay with losing, because that's the name of the game, and you could really learn a lot from trying new strategies out too. But really only if you have a reason to believe that. Dutch people usually have a big living room meeting on a birthday on a circle with chairs. Jan 27 for me? Eli, are you serious? We have 26, 27, and 28 in here? No fucking way. And that sounds crazy. What do you guys just sit in a circle? I don't even know. I love it. It's interesting, Max. Let me get a dumperoni and cheese, though. Am I right? Give that man the dumperoni and biscuits down there. We're breaking through here, Sobs. No doubt about it. Go give that man his paycheck. A little dumperoni and cheese. Stick to your strategy. Fine-tune and tweak. I like that, Chris. Sometimes market conditions change from what you were good at trading, and sometimes it's good to adapt to current market conditions. I would agree. They do change, and that's why you have to have that awareness to really just decide if it's you. Like lately, my 1 to 2, I'm getting top ticked, bottom ticked. Market conditions slightly change a little bit more volatile, a little bit more stop hunting. So I should have a little bit bigger size, which is why today, El Coloni, you saw also, King, I came in with a new strategy. I'm fucking full porting Apex, which isn't great because it's expensive, but it's the only way to do it. And again, I've only spent $1,600 with Apex. I'm looking for hundreds of thousands. So we have to be willing to spend money to make money. Certain strategies work at certain times. Just got to know when your strategy is effective at certain points in the market. Time and price. Great. Well said, Christopher. Great said. Rafira, how much money you made on Top Step and how long it takes you to make that? Total, I made 88 grand from Top Step. I spent 45 or 44. What did I spend? Let me look. I made 88, I think. Where's my expenses? Here it is. All time. Yep, I made 88 grand and I spent 44.2. So, and it took me like a year and a little bit, like a year, I think, roughly here. Sob, you in short. King, correct me if I'm wrong. I used to see you trade VWAP. You had successful before with it. Maybe try that again. Yeah, I do like VWAP often. Matrix. That's kind of what Rush was saying too recently. I do like VWAP, and it allows me to be a little bit more patient. So maybe I'll go back to trying that. Today was a great example of it, but obviously not every day we actually dance with VWAP. That's one reason why I've been kind of deviating from it a little bit, Matrix, is just because not every day we're getting interactions with it. But, I mean, maybe those are just days I shouldn't be looking for trades. So, like, look at this. We just never got in around VWAP once we sold off yesterday. So, maybe yesterday was no trades. I don't know. Maybe that could be maybe it could be something I could look at, Matrix. Appreciate you. From 474, just playing the IB range. I love it, King. We're printing to the downside. Let's go, Sobs. Let's see us get through here. I think we're well on the way now. I like it. Maybe gap fill. Maybe. Bro about to be Patrick full porting Apex. Let's go. Yeah, Bobby. We're about to be full porting Apex. 20 accounts. Give me the monies. Think about it this way, fam. Like I said, if I want to make hundreds of thousands, how can I be upset with only spending 1,500 or so? Thank you, sir. Am I the only one that uses fishing rod technique? I have a pencil and I cast my line at the candle and try to reel it in. Come to Papa. Come on. Come on. Tell me how effective that is, Sobs. I love it. You funnel profits through an LLC for tax benefits? I do. I just got an LLC, Christopher. I haven't really filed taxes with it yet, so I'm gonna have to see how that goes, and I'll keep you guys updated on how that all is. But yeah, it's interesting. You might be the only one, bro. Spent 35K. This going down super ugly. Just give us a big red candle. Give us a big down. Big black wick. Big black no wick. That's another reason I don't like Apex. I can't say big black no wick. Now it's big red no wick. Ew. Like, ew. Where's my big black no wick? And you can't even change colors. It's gross. I don't want big red no wick. That's gross. I spent 35K this year. That's nothing, Maxi. I just try to keep things fun too. Life all good time. Life all about good time. Let's go. That's my favorite energy, Sobs. That's why, bro, we would have a time. On the golf course, just messing around. Here we go. Here's the big red Danny. Let's go, Sobs. Now you're getting printed, King. I love it. Just give that man his money. Be a man. Hold that shit. Let's go. You can change the colors. Oh, wait. Really? Color schemes? How? Just double click on the candle. Y'all are the fucking... This is why... See, how would I ever do this shit without y'all? Y'all are the fucking best. Wick up. Probably gonna be white too. Oh, now I gotta change everything. Everything. Well, let's just see what this looks like. Show fills, trade lines. I didn't even know all this existed. Apply. What's this look like? Alright. Now, ladies, yeah. It's still gonna look ass. It does still look like ass. Year to date, I'm net negative 14K with prop firms. First year trading it. That's nothing, Matrix. Year to date, my first time, I was like, I went down 12K. I was down 12,000 with Top Step before I got a payout. And then yeah, I turned profitable. I love it. You're coming up next, Matrix. Next year's gonna be crazy for you, King. And before the end of the year, even. Bro, yesterday I went into the gym with my girlfriend and we got pulled over at 1 a.m. First time. But by the way, holy shit, I was scared, thinking I was gonna be the new face of a national movement. But he let us go. Poppy, what were you doing? Are you speeding at 1 a.m.? You guys just got back from the gym mad late. Crazy. This shit does look like ass. Whoever said that, facts. They know what they're talking about. Oh, God. Oh, God. Yeah, I'm gonna have to mess with this. I'm gonna have to mess with these colors. Hey, bro, I'm late. Wake up today. What's up, Reserve? Oh, no, the guy's What's up, King? Thanks, King. Can't wait to get your level. Hey, you're right there, sir. You're right there, brother. Think about it. That's exactly where I was before I started hitting it, Matrix. I believe in you, King. Bro, I'm new to trading. I need advice on how to learn it. Joe Goldberg's Mogs. Welcome in, King. First time chatter, I think. So welcome in, brother. I would say just patience, first and foremost, sir. Get that mindset correct. It's a long journey. And if you really, truly want this to be successful for you, set realistic expectations. Why are you showing up? What's your reason? What's your goal? Are you trying to trade for your future? Trade for your freedom? Trade for your future, for your family, for your life? If so, dude, think about how long you got left to live. You had a long journey, so you have to really start being realistic with your time. Shit's hard, but really worth it. So I would say just get your expectations correct. Know that it's going to take a year, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, however long. Find a simple strategy that works, that you've seen work from other people. So something simple that you can trust, and just start putting time in, bro. Just start trying. Start poking the markets. You're going to lose a lot. You're going to learn a lot. And then just keep having the awareness to keep showing up, the discipline to keep showing up, and you're going to get paid, King, eventually. It all plays out over time. Speeding to get to the buns. You're driving home. I was like, yeah, he's going to make an icon. And he said he thought I was drunk because I was swerving. You were swerving. I wish Trade Locker had a futures platform. This UI is sexy. Really? Is it? Yeah, because I don't like Apex's UI. I guess it's not Apex, but Trade of Eights. But also, Maxi says he likes it. So I think it's a me problem. I'll get over it. Joe, just be careful with other influencers out there. Most of them try to sell you affiliates. Take this a grain of salt. There are some legit mentors, but just be careful. For sure. Just be careful, King. Find somebody you trust, and then just keep showing up and trust, and just let yourself learn. It's a long journey, brother. Bro, I need some contact info with you directly if it's possible. It would be really good for me who has very less people with the same mindset. It would be really good for me who has very less people with the same mindset. No worries, Reserve. Find me on Instagram, King. I'll help out any way I can, bro. Want to see everybody succeed. Help out any way that I can. TP hit. Let's go. Got my piece of the pie. 183.1 micro. Sobs. Like it wasn't even hard or something. Like it wasn't even hard. Bro finna leak his shit. Joe Goldberg, is that you? Anyway, Watch that show, haha. Yes. You. He's sitting here just studying us, Danny. Absolute legend. Great trading for sure, Maxie. Way to show love. Great trading, Saab. Love to hear it, King. That one micro can make you rich. Maybe I got to adjust my expectations because I hate micros. I hate trading MNQ, M fucking GC, fucking micro anything. But I think I need to get. I think once I become a full-time trader and I'm not working, I think I'm gonna trade a lot more micros. How ironic is that? I don't know, but I think that's what I see. W subs, let's go, Matrix. Way to show love. Little stalker, no doubt. Yeah, seriously though, guys, one micro is all you need. Good trading location, patience, and stress-free. One micro all day will be plenty. I love it, subs. Great advice. Been trading max 3 micros on props, and it works. I'm definitely over leveraging a little bit. I'll say it. You know what? A little bit over leverage. It's okay. It's okay. I'll put five minis on. I'll do it. No fucking. Don't at me. Micro is good when you funded, not evaluation. Exactly, Matrix. That's basically where my thing's been at. I need to impress my ex back so she can come back. Joe, it's not gonna work, King. She's for the streets. Let her go. Let her go. Because she will come back once you get money. Yeah, but you don't want her, Ned. You don't want her. Let her go. Where are you working now? I work at, well, I have, technically, this is one of my jobs. Technically, sort of, not really. I haven't truly been paid from it yet. Actually, I have from trading, but not from streaming. But yeah, trading. I trade, and then I'm a contractor, cannabis contractor for cannabis cultivators here in Maine. Same, no more than 5 micros. 5 minis? Cough, cough. I was a big over-leveraging trader since this XFA. I decided I was going to start from square one using 1 micro a day. And that right there is fucking improvements. I love it, Sobs. Dope shit. We getting that doji reversal here? It's kind of feeling like possibly. But I still think the sellers are in control. I think it's just a slow bleed. But I still think we go find low a day here. Anyone watch cartoons? Not a lot, Pobby. Don't have a lot of time. I don't really watch a lot of TV in general. Mostly podcasts and shit. Build a nice buffer and slowly scale. Ty, I think you really got to use that ATR for your stops. I think it's a good option, Lenny. I appreciate you sharing the levels. Because, yeah, I've been getting a little bit manipulated with my top and bottom ticks lately. It's been feeling personal, but I've had this XFA for 2 months now. Longest one I've ever had. Reached 2 payouts. All my trades are stress-free. My stops are much wider, and the damage doesn't hurt as bad. Seriously, guys. Take a note right there. Fucking badass. 2 months in an XFA. 2 payouts. Just hitting base hits with a micro. You don't need to get crazy. I respect the shit out of that, subs. Great trading, King. Bro, she's getting that Tyron right now. Go to sleep. She's getting that Tyron. Go right now. Go to sleep. What? You confused me, Bobby. I'm back. What's up, work? Welcome back, King. If she don't want you at your low, she don't deserve shit. Exactly, Kev. I'm gonna show here for the gap fill. I think you're pretty safe, Danny. I think we're gonna go see the lower days here, possibly. We're below the EMA. Let's see what happens. Let's see what type of trouble we can get into. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This is just black and white. I like it a little bit better. It just makes me feel like a little bit better. So, fuck out of here. Bum ba da 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 dum, bum bum ba da da dum. I like the black and white just a little bit better for me. Not so emotional for me. I don't know why, but that's just what I like. That's just what I like. So I gotta do what I like. Oh, very much better. I like it a lot better now. Bum 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 bum. All right, King, I'm head out. We'll come back, watch the video later if you plan to trade that last 5 accounts. I'm not gonna trade those last 5, King. At least tomorrow. Tomorrow we will. So I'll see you tomorrow, brother. Have a great sleep. Have a good work day. Appreciate you for being here, King. Congrats on passing those 2 combines. Sorry about the XFA, baby. You're right there. How old are you, bro? Sice. 25. I'm 25 years old, King. Gonna be 26 in a couple months. You live in Maine. Went to snowboard at Sugarloaf once. Had the time of my life. How close are you to there? It is the fucking prettiest mountain, man. Let's have a Sobs. You would love it. The fucking Sugarloaf golf course is unreal. How close am I to the loaf? I think I'm like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. So pretty close, Corey. which sounds probably pretty crazy to you guys, but in Maine, that's just another day. I got to drive. Yesterday, I drove to our APA league, my pool league, with my family. That was a 70-minute drive just to get to pool, so we're used to driving here. At the end of the day, we all have our own strategy and way of trading. That's just a small part of the market's emotions and risk management is what keeps you going. Keeps you going. Hone in on your emotions and watch. Let's go, Sobs. Great advice. Oh, because he said he misses his ex. Like, bro, she's getting rearranged right now. Yeah, she's for the street. She's getting rearranged. That's hilarious, Bobby. See you, King. Good luck, everyone. Hell yeah, Matrix. Take it easy, King. Yo, I can't find you on Insta. Reserve, it's the same as my my YouTube, brother. Tyler Cam. Same as my YouTube. Should be pretty easy. That's lit, bro. Sizing up only comes when you're a master at handling your feelings. This is the step I needed to take to start working on my trading self. I love it. Sizing up does come. Here we go. Finding new low a day right now. Pushing in towards potentially this gap close. Let's go, Danny. Nice. Let's go, Corey. Fuck with your energy, bro. Keep grinding. You gonna make it. Sice, you're the man, bro. Appreciate that love. Your support means a lot. Appreciate for being here every day. Means a lot, man. Hey, bro, Maine not too far considering we all have to go golf next season anywhere. Somewhere. Bring Saucy. I'll bring my boy. Let's go. I'd be there, Sobs. Round on us. That'd be amazing. Once an X, no one going back, King. No, sir. Let's go. I found you. Hell yeah, Reserve. Also, Ty, I jucked your swag on the charts. The gray background with white and black candles is clean. It is, brother. It's my shit. Is there a way to change this, or is it only black and white for a backdrop? I love it too, Sobs. Hope getting a follow back from you. What's up, Reserve? I'll follow you back, King. I'm short from 270s. He's from the 270s, looking for the 230s, probably the bottom of the range. I love it, King. Good luck. Good luck, Maxi. Yo, I don't know how many likes we're at, family. I know our views is a little bit down today, so let me see those likes. Show me those likes. Appreciate you guys for showing some support. It's the easiest way to support the stream. Finding some selling into the 250s now. We're 20 points from closing that gap. Will it close? Feels like it has to. Feels like it has to close, right? No other doubt, no other question. Man, congrats for getting back up to 50K. What you mean, sir? What you mean, Reserve? Nice, Max. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Now that we break the initial balance range to retest the low of it and then continue down, that could be nice. We'll test back into the 81s and then push into the 30s. Although, here we go. There's the gap close pretty much. Nice trade, Maxi. Or 205 target. Ooh, he lost deeper. I don't mind. I mean, I guess the easiest exit is the 230s, but if you want deeper, King, I respect it. Pay Max so I can bounce 230s. Damn, FOMO. No, sir, Max. No, sir, Mad. We don't care. We just let it happen. Market moves every single day. Always going to have opportunity. We got to just let it be. Is there a way to change my chart, too? Because I want fucking... I don't want the black. Bum ba bum ba ba bum ba bum bum. Chart settings, color scheme, light. No, there's only two options. Lame. Tyler, you gonna put a trade in, bro? Joe Goldberg, not today, King. I already did, and we lost. Here, I'll show you where they're at. It looks funny just seeing one attempt. Yeah. We already did. Trailing right now. Let's go, Sobs. Put that thing on. Put that thing on. It's crazy that in 15 minutes I made what I'll make in 2 days at work, though. That's why we're here. That's what we're doing, baby. We're trading for our freedom. Trading for the chance to make some motherfucking monies. I love it. Oops, sorry. I thought you made some profit today, but that's a new account. Sorry, bro. I told you I woke up late. No problem, Reserve. It's all right, King. We blew a couple, but now, yeah, we're back to, we have these accounts that, oh, no, 26. We have these accounts that we can try, so we'll see what happens. Up 475 on the day. Locking the fuck out. Let's go, queen. Big W's for Danny. I love it. She said she's just going to go for base hits, go back to her strategy, micros, not get greedy, and she's been crushing it lately. What type of language y'all speak? I'm curious. It's Dutch, sir. They're speaking some Dutch. I see some great traders being taken in here. Y'all good stuff. Being taken in here. Y'all good stuff. For real, Sob. I love it. I love seeing y'all take great trades. That's what we're doing here. We're forming a community of great traders. Kind, empathetic traders that just want to see everybody succeed. And we're going to do it. We're just getting smarter together, baby. Look at this. Pushing through the gap close. It officially hit, family, into the 227s. The Guapanese, baby. That's Guapanese. That's what the NASDAQ speaks. Like guap. I'm out, by the way. Quick 32 points. Too easy, Max. Great trading, King. It's interesting. I speak Spanish. Yo hablo español un pequeño. Un pequeño. No más por pequeño. Pero pequeño. Today's close. Touch. Today's close. Touch, most likely. Yesterday's close. Is that where we're going? Excuse me. Mamma mia. Man, so much opportunity. So much opportunity here. We're going to get better. We're going to get better. Shit, man. Wonder if the satellite guy took that short too. Holy shit, that was funny. I'm choking over here. Drop the likes, chat. Pat, you're the man. I appreciate you, King. You're the man, brother. Dutch, sorry, Pablo. A little misspelling on my part. Bro, Ty sounds like Borat when talking Spanish. Yo hablo español un pequeño, un Borat. Me llamo Borat. My target for shorts will either be 25.2s or the 950s. Yeah, I mean, I think you're with the trend, King. I think you're with the trend. Keep trailing it. Maybe we just keep seeing lows print right now. Heading off to my buddy's shop to build race cars. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Hey, Pat, enjoy the rest of it. Dude, hell yeah, King. That man doing what he loves. I love it. Have a good time. Appreciate you for being here. Hit the weights. Get that health up, King. We'll see you tomorrow. You're the man, Pat. 25-200 seems pretty good. I agree, Danny. Just keep seeing what we get. Just keep seeing what we get. 17, let's hit 20. Yo, we need 3 more likes to hit our goal of 20, family. If there are people in here that have not yet, is the easiest way to support the stream. I appreciate you guys. Show me a little bit of love. Show me a little thumbs up. Let's get to that 20. Absolutely, bro. Hit the weights, guys. Let's go, King. Keep that health up. Healthy traders are profitable traders. Jadenk Inguk. Marunders Giwon Trailin. I love it because it's the hardest. Like, that shit sounds like a different language. You know what I mean? Like, just crazy. And I'm butchering it. I think we see the 24/700s end of next week. Just my opinion. Ooh, sobs. Government shutdown bringing bearish activities. 700s, huh? I love it. Well, let's be there to grab it then. I made $5 on that bounce because it slapped break even. Going to get a smooth something real nice. Let's go. $5 break even. Hey, better than a loss, King. Good risk management. Hey, Ty, any advice for someone who thinks the gym is boring right now? I find it hard to keep wanting to go. Pobby. For me, it's like, it's tricky because this is a hard one for me to really share in terms of like how to motivate, because I literally can't not do it. Like, I do not like my energy. I don't like the way I feel. I feel like shit if I don't go. It's not even to the gym either. I don't just go to the gym. I just have to get my heart racing. I have to get my muscles pumped. And I have to just try hard. I have to have like a little bit of effort each day for me to feel good, for me to sleep good. So for me, it's about feeling good, King. It's about, I want to show up as the best Tyler that I can. I want to show up in the best energy for the people I love. I want to show up in the healthiest feeling so no one has to worry about me. I want to not have to worry about any ailments, anything, any pain, struggle, nothing. So for me, it's like the easiest sacrifice. It's us paying prop firms, right? It's the thing we have to do to get the payout. It's the thing we have to do for health. You got to show up. You got to try for yourself. Put the effort in for yourself, and it will pay off, King. Your health is, no one can do it for you, Bobby. That's the thing, right? You're the only motherfucker that can get out there, get your heart racing, sweat, try hard, and you're the only one that benefits from it as well. Well, that's not true. Your family can benefit from it too, but you got to keep that energy. Just keep it up. Trust me, you have all the potential of having millions of views. Rosario, if you're the man, bro, I appreciate it. I appreciate there. There is the 25-200. It's too easy for that man, Maxi. Come on. Drop a W for that man, Max. And for everybody that caught this downside. Sobs, imagine, brother. Look at this short you draft from the 74s. Fucking 250 points to the downside. Incredible short. 270 points to the downside. I love it. Just talk to the fit chicks and it will be more fun. Yeah, Sam, to be honest, I want to look good, but man, the chips are the devil. You got to stop buying. Got to stop buying them, Bobby. Just don't even have them around you. Don't even have them around you and you'll stop eating them. It's hard to get rid of them. I've been on 1 week without them and I'm craving them. Hey, WU. Let's go. Healthy traders are profitable traders. Turning away from that shit is going to keep you strong mentally, man. Makes trading easier. You get better discipline. If you can stay away from the chips, you can stay away from fucking full porting. You know what I'm saying? Stay away from all the gluttonous temptation. You can stay away from all the devil thoughts that we have trading too. So, yes, sir, but I stuck with my plan. Played the range trade, and sure, I could have moved TP for more profit, but I'm not looking to be greedy. Just knowing my plan. No, I'm just saying. I agree, King. I'm glad you got out at the IB low here. But, man, what a fucking move. And really good trading out of you. Really good direction. I find the gym no fun, but roll me out of my yoga mat, and I'm good to go. Exactly. See, that's the thing. Everybody has their own form of fitness. For me, it's just exercise. Pull-ups, push-ups, squats. It was the gym for a while, but fuck. It is whatever it is that you want to get your health. Your health is important. We have a healthy, important body, then we can do very good things. Healthy bodies bring healthy minds. Healthy minds are how we get good trading. Damn, I love chips. Sun chips okay, though? I don't know, Max. I don't eat chips at all, King, so I couldn't help you there. Appreciate you, bro. You too, Subs. How was Pool League, by the way? I won. I actually had a little rackless last night, Subs. Yeah, bro. I won my lag, and then I shot really well. Shot good pool. How was pool? I need to get back on a team, bro. That'd be so cool, Mr. 7. You would mop me on a table. I love it. I have a sick body, so exercise is very important indeed. Do you actually, Queen? Sorry to hear that if you do. But yes, some small little things. Same thing as trading. We show up every day for trading. We got to show up for ourselves every day. Something small. Go on a walk. Fucking stretch like you're saying with yoga. Anything to get your heart rate up, really. Ooh, rackless. Let's go. It was nice. I don't know, man. It's been years now. Need to shake the rust off. I feel like it's one of those things that you just don't lose. Like maybe a couple strokes will feel weird, but then you get you get it down, and you're just going to be butter all over again. You guys have a chronic illness? No shit. That's our queen right there. Sorry, Danny. I was going to put a W, but I just want to support you. And I don't want to put a W, though, for illness. W for you for showing up and conquering that, though. Chronic illness is really, really tricky. For real, huh? Mad Max, I love the spicy ones. I can eat one family-size bag. Like, I'm not, but I'm not fit also. Chips are the devil, family. Get away from them. It's all right. Just making the best of what I got. Life is still good. Just make the best of it. And there she is. That's the queen. Life is what it is. You just got to make the best out of it. And she is every single day. Positivity, showing up, pulling for you, queen. Hope you keep, hope the health turns around. I'm not sure what the disease or the illness is, but hopefully it's something that isn't limiting and you can keep crushing. Into the 197s now on the NASDAQ, finding some support back into the 242s. All right, family. Did we get to the 20 likes? Let me know. Did we get to 20 likes? I'm about to get out of here. I appreciate you guys so fucking much. Seriously, every single one of you that makes this community strong, makes it what it is. It would not be anything without the all the vibes and all the uniqueness that we bring, the positivity. It's really the shit. Bro, low-key snack hack, popcorn, like no calories. You can crush half a bag for like 150 calories. I eat popcorn every day. So that's actually, as a W insight. I eat popcorn every single day because it's an easy little snack. Yo, King, how you doing today? What's up, Mo? There he is. Doing great, brother. We blew some accounts, but my confidence is up. I know what I'm gonna do next time, so it is what it is. But I appreciate you for stopping in, Mo. Happy to have you here, King. Good afternoon in your world. Yeah, same here, Pobby. HMSN is what it's called if you're interested. If not, all good. Everyone gets a set of cards dealt, and that's what you do with it. That counts. HMSN. HMSN. What is that, Danny? You see I can go down 2 bags. I'll look it up if you don't want to explain, but it's really interesting. You see I can go down 2 bags, no problem. 22 likes, let's go. Should have way more. Appreciate you in the room, King. Appreciate you too, Corey. You're the man. Appreciate everybody for getting to the 20 likes. You guys are the best. Popcorn is a staple in my diet when I'm looking to shred a few pounds. I don't know. I'm just a lean person, and I like that shit. Yes, sir. We passing this count today, King. Let's go. Let's go, Mo. It's a muscle disease in short. HMSN. Danny, I'm going to look that up, Queen, because I'm really interested. I'm pulling for you, though. I hope it's nothing too crazy, and I hope you can keep fucking showing up your best you. Look at that 200 bounce. I know, it's been insane. Right up into the 260s. Defended off the 200s. See what type of things we can get into. But, hey, family, I'm going to wrap it up here today. Y'all are the fucking best. Danny, Max, Mo, Sobs, Corey, Pobby, Mad Max. Every single one of you guys make this shit what it is. Reserve. And it wouldn't be the shit without you guys. So, W you guys. I love you guys. Drink some sun. Get some water. Hug somebody you love. And tomorrow we do it all over again. Hopefully this time, though, I get my money from Apex. All right, y'all. I love you guys. Peace.